Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a review video. If you watched me trying to do this video live, I apologize. The internet cut out and I didn't notice, and well, I mean there's nothing I could do. So the blades are already sharp, but I'm going to go through the whole process again as if I haven't done it, just to show you guys this. This is the All American Sharpener, allamericansharpener.com. I did buy this because JC, the lawn care guy, said he was getting one, and I saw it and it just looked like a great idea. I did try to get one free from them, but they said they wanted to get natural reviews or whatnot, and so it's like, sure, like the idea enough where I actually bought it. It was about $200, so it's not a cheap thing. I think it's more geared for pros, but I like to sharpen my own blades and I don't want to pay someone else to do it, and this helps me in an area I'll show you in a minute. But the concept is really simple. So you take any of your angle grinders, and this is where it's neat because I mean some of you have battery powered ones. I got this, but if you got battery powered one and you're a pro, you can attach this right to your truck, be out in the field if you need to. It just puts this little guide right on the side, and then that guide goes into this arm, and this keeps the angle, the correct angle, while you're doing it. Then here is essentially a vise, which I'll do a close-up shot later. And then on this side, on this model, you can adjust the angle. So I figured out, I'm doing Honda blades, it's at 40. 40 seems to be the perfect angle, and so I'm gonna put it in here and just show you. Now, I wear safety equipment. It's no joke. You can find pictures of guys on Instagram with stuff done to their eyes because they didn't wear this. So just play it safe. It's really not worth it when it takes a second to put them on. But all you do, let's see if this is the right angle. Yeah, that should be good. Turn it on. Now the grinder will hang down below while you can flip this around. Now we'll show you just how perfect and even this angle is. It's perfect down the whole thing, and that's what you want. And that's the part I struggled with. When I'm doing it myself with a vise, I could never, like, that's why it took me a few tries to figure out what the correct angle should be on this, because I had rounded it quite a bit. So we'll put this back in, do the other side. Boom. Now, I feel like that's super easy. If you got the straight blades, that is easy to do. But what if you got these weird Honda blades? Well, they actually have an adapter for the Honda blades. Now, you see, that might show off the curve. There is a weird curve to it, but they figured out with this bracket, it'll actually hold angle. And so even though it's got a curve, this lets you go up and down over the curve, but keeping the correct angle as you do it. So you can get this bracket. Oh, I always put it the wrong way. Screw this in. Pop it on here. Not going anywhere. Same deal. set, ready to go. There you go, it's that easy. And what I really like about, now the reason the model I got was more expensive is because it's got different angles on it. So here we go. There's the different angles. So you can easily just unscrew this a little bit, move it to whatever angle you want, and it's good to go. This is super, super durable. I love that it just holds this here for you. So this will probably always end up being there because that's all I use that for. Bolted right into the workbench. This guy's easy to use. It's very cool. So it's a really simple concept. They've done a very good job of building this. I highly recommend it for pros. For homeowners, I mean, it is a pricey item, but I mean, it's some of us spend a lot of money on lawn care, and this is our hobby, so we're okay with you know, spending more on gadgets. But I mean, I'm enjoying this really, so I'm glad that I bought it. And to the guys that made this, good job. Now I'll show you something funny. I tried to do something like this. I don't know if it's still, it's kind of falling apart, but I was trying it with wood. There was more to it than that. There was a whole thing on there to hold it at the right angle and everything, because I wanted to just slide the blade through, which worked great on the flat one. And then when I got to this one and tried to push it through, I was like, oh. So for a long time I've wanted to do this, and with this model with the different angles, I've got the Cub Cadet, I've got the Works, I've got Friends, so I know I can be able to do any type of blade, but they do have different models, so if you only have straight blades or if you have mulch kits or whatnot, you can do that. But cool stuff. And if you watched live, I'm really sorry that I messed up. I thought it would be fun to do a quick episode without having to do any editing, but I guess it didn't work out.
If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The Lawn Care Planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The Lawn Care Journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free, it's grassdaddy.net.